Hi, Jim Romano with the Elite Home Sales Team and RE/MAX Professionals, here at our newest listing at 9900 Sunset Hills Circle. This is located in the prestigious Heritage Hills neighborhood, which is a gated neighborhood in Lone Tree. It's a two-story with a coveted main floor master, 5 bedrooms, 4 baths with over 4,100 square feet finished. Sellers just repainted the whole house, added new carpet and hardwood floors. You got to take a look at it. Let's check it out. As you can see, this house is not disappointing. With all the conveniences of Lone Tree and the amenities of Heritage Hills, this house will not last very long. We're gonna have it held open this Saturday from 1 to 3, so feel free to come by. But if you'd like a private showing, be happy to set something up for you. Just give me a call.